Yo, what's good, guys? This is your boy Waleed Talks Finance, and today we are checking out this new side hustle called TryMyUi.com. This is a user-based user testing website, so you can make a lot of money. And I'm gonna go through it step by step. I'm gonna go on my platform and check it out. I'm gonna explain you from A to Z. So there's gonna be chapters in the description. You guys can jump ahead in the sections, but right. So let's get right into it. Making the software more user friendly and to reach out. Companies will reach out to TryMyUi and ask them to test the feature and a list of features, to the general public, that where we come in. That's where we come in, and guess what? We test out the feature. So you can look on the website. How can we approve your app, your product, and you can watch videos. It's TryMyUi.com, and you set up your test, and they pick their target audience, and that's why there's screeners, and really that's how it is. And you just essentially, you're at home and you review websites, and you get paid for that. You get paid for that. No time. Yeah, see, you don't have time. Companies don't have time for usability testing, and they will come to us essentially, and they will ask these companies, which in turn will ask us to test websites. Things could be like, just adding this product to the cart, testing out the features. What do you feel about the website? You so give your opinion, your written and voice opinion about it. There's also an app. Okay, second, what is the qualifications and the application process? So you're gonna go here and get paid to test, and essentially you're gonna get started. You're gonna write your name and your PayPal email. That's how they pay you. They pay you via PayPal, and become a tester, give your honest feedback. The requirements: you don't need any experience, no like background, but the testers, they do have screeners, so sometimes the screeners don't really apply to you, and that's all right. You just try your luck, and you just keep on trying, and you'll definitely get in. All right, so when you do, you sign up with your email, with your PayPal, you put your password, I am not a robot, and you submit. Okay, so when you sign up with your email, they're gonna ask you to do a demo test. So it's not a real test, but it's a test that will require you to go through it, and you will act like it's a real test, and then a reviewer will review your test. We're gonna jump in the platform in a bit, and see how it is like inside the platform, my portal, and I'm gonna show you how it looks from inside. But essentially, a demo test is what I recommend is just having a good mic, good microphone, good camera. Some tests do require camera, but most of them don't, and that is why I like this test. But I also like this other website called UserTesting.com. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and I'll put the cards, because that is also another good website for user testing, so you can multitask websites. I recommend downloading the app of TryMyUi so you can get the tests also on your phone. Okay, so here's the platform, and you see you can they do have some live tests. You're gonna learn more about these. You see they have one test available, but that's on iPhone, and I am not an iPhone user. I have an Android, so that is why I am not gonna be able to do this test. But if you had an iPhone, you could be doing this test. It says 30 minutes, and they pay out $10. So they also have live tests and that is how the platform looks. See, I did a couple tests. I did 3 tests, and I got paid for it. So that is the qualification test I was talking about. So I'll see my show qualification. They asked me to go on this website and look at the tasks, and the video that is the video is because it records your feedback, and then the rating. There is a rating on a 5-star. I recommend having, when you do your test, being clear, very concise, because that really impacts your rating, and how many tests you're gonna get. Also, I recommend checking out the FAQ. The FAQ section is good, because if you're a worker and you're working for this website, you want to kind of be familiar with the platform you're working with. So the FAQ: what is usability testing? What are you looking in a great usability tester? So you follow the instructions, stay on task, clearly say exactly what you're thinking, write a clear, detailed and written summary answers sample questions about your experience after completing the video portion. Receiving tests, how do I find out about available tests? You will receive an email notification about your demographic. All right. It's always filled by first serve basis. My experience is that like you gotta jump in right away. As soon as you get that email notification, you cannot wait a couple minutes, because if you do wait, you're gonna miss out. That's one inconvenient about this. You gotta be the first one to jump in on the test. So keep your email notifications up. And why do I keep missing out on tests? We send out notifications based on how long you've performed your last test. All right. If you miss out on a couple, yes, I did notice that. If you've been missing out, they'll try to send out more to you because you have been missing out. There's no minimum amount. You can do as many as you can, but this is not a full-time job. This is not part-time. This is like just a few extra bucks that you can make in your spare time, right? Downloading and installing the recorder. So that's when you sign up, they'll explain you how to record. It's like a Chrome extension, and they will explain to you how to download it and everything. And performing the test, the payment, how often do you get paid? You get paid every Friday. And if you're that's it. They're gonna review your test and they pay via PayPal. Never had any issues with getting paid. If you do have any issues, you can reach out to support, and they're pretty good. All right. Account access, signed up as a customer. If you signed up as a customer, you can contact them, PayPal, email. Yeah, you use your same. It's very important, when you sign up for TryMyUi, try to sign up with definitely do sign up with the same PayPal email, so like this it's linked. All right, awesome. All right, in conclusion, my recommendation is that you should multitask and have multiple apps and websites that you do user testing, like usertesting.com and on TryMyUi.com, so you receive all the options and all the tests available, more tests available, so you can make more money and maximize your amount of money. This is definitely not a get rich quick scheme. It's only like a side hustle. You can make some good money, and definitely it can help some side income, but do remember that you do have to mind your own taxes, because you are an independent worker. They do not send out any tax forms or anything like that. Right, be careful when you're signing up the test. Just don't give out any personal information. Again, if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth videos and more side hustles